Have you ever gone on a life-changing trip to Japan, got back to the States, and went, I really don't want to be here anymore? Well, you're not the only one. We'll be documenting most of our travels throughout Japan, especially on our recent and upcoming trip, which is for 21 days all throughout Tokyo while we go and try to find and buy a house. Crazy. They're rebooking her.
Huh?
They're rebooking her.
Well, we got called up 4 minutes ago to grab something from the people, and I said please hurry, and here she is taking her sweet time.
Why you do this?
Store your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead.
Got a blanket, got a pillow, I got some headphones somewhere, I don't know where they are. Got this cool hen towel. Ooh. Hey, we went there. Alright, quick review of the food. Alex got the hamburger steak with some, what was this?
Looks like a rice pilaf.
Rice pilaf with some turkey or chicken with some
Chicken, I think.
meat seasoning, some bottoms, and you get free either soda or alcohol. We're waiting on, or
And I got chicken and rice.
chicken and rice.
Because the butter's not melted. You take the butter, you put it on the bottom of the pan like this. That way you can melt it. Easy.
Big grape.
Right.
Alex, how's your hamburger?
It's just kind of okay.
Just meh. I mean, this is pretty dumb. Watch it, Harry Pooper.
Get to eat has a very hard time with the turbulence of this flight. It's been quite difficult. So, just the realism. Sometimes probably. Here. Not great, but if they do.
One eternity later.
You guys all came for me? Oh, thank you. Oh, thanks, guys. Love you too. All right, so once you get out of where your customs is, and you get out where you saw that previous video, but right over here is currency exchange. You can pick up, or there's another one down farther that way. But if you look right over here, this is where you pick up your Wi-Fi and you drop off your Wi-Fi. So that's right, way down there. Ta-da! Now this is where you came out. Way over there is the where you pick up your thing. There's the escalators to go down to the train, and right here is where you'll get your low-cost bus ticket, and it's 1,500 yen. Super great deal. You'll go to Tokyo Station, and that's it. Boom, boom. And then you'll go out here to go grab your bus, which is right outside this little door, and the buses pick up literally right here. Pretty streamlined, and they are freaking on time because that one was 7:50 and they picked up right at 7:50. Our bus is at 1900, so 7 o'clock. Anyway, bye. And Japan being awesome and always on time, it is literally exactly 1900. I'm the best. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Well, I majorly fucked up. I somehow left the Wi-Fi device on the bus, so now everybody's upset, and I fucked up big time. So don't do that. Don't leave the Wi-Fi device on a bus.
Walking to our Airbnb, a bit late because unfortunately we may have lost our Wi-Fi, but yeah, that's another topic for another day. But I just wanted to have you guys check this out. Listen to how quiet it is. We're in the middle of downtown Tokyo. Fucking, what time is it? It's like 9 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night. Nothing. It's so quiet. Well, I think we're done for the day, guys. we've quite had it. Alright, welcome to the tiny, tiny rooms. Look, I'm gonna hit my head. Alright.
The pictures in this all look bigger.
We're weird, childless millennials going through midlife crisis. So, make sure you follow us. Hit the like button. Follow, click, whatever. I don't care. Just do it.